This model kit review is of the Messerschmitt BF-109, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Revell. This is actually Revell of Germany. And here it shows you the dimensions and some of the pictures of finished product. So there's a tremendous amount of detail that can be seen on this model. And looks like the colors needed there. And I don't see much else there. So let's have a look inside. Looks like this one's already been started. Here we'll have a look at our canopy. Very nicely molded, actually. We have some wings here. This is really exceptional quality. The plastic feels very strong. Recessed lines. We've got some good wheel well detail there. Very crisp and clean. A little bit of sanding required there for the joint. A little bit of filler there. Flaps can be put up or down, as well as leading edges. Here is our fuselage, also recessed panel lines, and some detail on the inside there. Here's some detail over the inside of this cockpit here. Tremendous amount of detail. This sprue here has our spinner. Looks like some additional parts maybe for the inside of the engine. And our exhaust, tail, stabilizers, probably part of our flaps. It's all very, very well molded. Wheel well covers, leading edge, landing gear. This is just an exceptional quality model. Here's our propeller. Looks like we might have two different options. And our tail, air intake here, the guns, very well molded. And the engine covers. Let's have a look here. Here's our engine. The crankcase in the front. And some additional parts here for the engine. Here's the other part, other side. Here is one of the bulkheads and our cockpit. It's got some detail there. Looks like that's fallen over a little bit. And our instrument panel, some detail. And our wheels, actually nicely molded. Let's have a look at our decals here. Lots of detail here with the decals. That's going to be a really good model kit. Let's have a look at our instructions. So, somewhere here we go, are the paint guide and the parts listing. We start off with the cockpit and the engine. Engine's then put together. That's then mounted to the bulkhead and put inside the fuselage. Wings are put together with the flaps and leading edges. Those are applied to the fuselage, as well as the tail and stabilizer. Here's our air intakes, engine bay covers, and it looks like radiators, landing gear go on, canopy, and there's just a tremendous amount of detail. There's our spinner and propeller. Here's the painting and decal guide, and this is the African tropical version, I think. And then here's the one that flew over France. Tremendous amount of detail. This is going to be a very good quality model. Very well molded, great decals, wheel wells, and our cockpit and engine.